going to need 4 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. And what we did is we tied a string around a little stick like this, and we're just going to put it in for all 4 of these jars. And then we're going to dye it, and we're going to put some vanilla flavoring. It's going to be really good. So first I'm going to put in the water, and you're going to need 2 cups. So right now, this solution is a saturated solution, which means that it contains as much solute, the sugar, as will dissolve at the current temperature. See, look, when I add it, and I stir it, it's not dissolving. It's like when you add sugar to a cold tea to try and sweeten it, and it doesn't dissolve. So in this experiment, our solute will be sugar, and our solvent will be the water. So now we're going to turn the temperature up, and we're going to let the water boil, so more solute will be able to dissolve because the solvent is at a higher temperature, and it will become a super saturated solution, which is what allows rock candy to be formed. So we dipped the strings in sugar, so the sugar crystals have something to grow off of. And you want to make sure that the strings aren't touching the ground or the sides of the jar, or else the sugar crystals will connect and fuse to the jar, and it'll be hard to get it off. I'm going to add 2 drops of blue in this one, 2 drops of yellow, 2 drops of green, and 2 drops of red. So it's getting a little steamy, so I'm going to turn the temperature down, let it cool off for a bit, add a little bit more water just to cool it down. So now we're going to add 4 cups of sugar, which is a lot, but it's going to be good, I hope. And as you add it, you want to add it really, really slowly. And as you add it, you want to stir it in, or else it'll burn. You just got to be really careful, and you just got to take your time. You want to make sure your sugar solution is completely clear, and all of the sugar crystals are dissolved. So now that it's clear, we're going to dump it into the jar with the food coloring in it, and we're going to mix it up to make the color. All the glasses are going to be hot. So we are going to put the red and the blue outside in the sun to see if they will grow better than the other ones that I will leave inside. So let's find out in a week. So it's been a week, and the crystals have grown. These are the ones we put outside. The red and the blue. And then the green and the yellow are the ones that were inside. I think the green and the yellow grew better. Probably because the crystals melted in the sun. That's what I'm guessing. So it was harder for them to grow. But we're not going to be eating the outside ones because there is a bunch of ants on them. It was really gross, so we're not going to eat those. But you can see, they're really pretty. So now I'm going to make Jacob eat the crystals. do you think?
It's like completely tasteless. But I mean, it has like a sweet
Does
taste.
it taste sweet?
Yeah. Oh.
You don't like it?
No, I like it. I do like that actually. That is good. It's super sweet.
Kind of just tastes like old rock candy. It's good though. I like it. It just tastes like sugar. The crystals were formed by the help of evaporation, which increases the concentration of sugar in the mixture because the water concentration is decreasing. As the water evaporates, the solution becomes more saturated and the sugar crystals will grow on the string. This is why I thought the crystals would grow better outside because more water would evaporate. But I think because of the hot weather we had while growing, the crystals may have melted, and that's why the inside crystals grew better. Also, the ants ate it, which sucks, but that's okay.